So guys, this is a continuation from when I was saying that I wanted to do the Sunday Monday. Last night, literally like after 12 morning, it's like 7 a.m. them gone to school and stuff, and so my sound like that. It's morning for me, but any time of the day for you, good that time of the day for you. Alright, so like I said last night, like 12:15 a.m. we do the whole video, me showing me clean up the chicken and seasoning and stuff. But because I'm videoing from my phone, and the previous 3 vlogs I didn't delete them after uploading them, I never have enough space. So while I was filming, I don't know, and the footage they gone actually clean up the meat. The only part leave over me season it. And to be honest, I do have a camera, but just don't feel the need, like I'm legit have a, like, I just not feel it. First string it up, and this nice because it give you like a wide view and it blur out the back and the mic, it hear me clearer. But this is my very first time doing a Vlogmas, and if I like it, you know, I continue with it and sing and sing. And I'm telling you, some I have plans for not to update the thing, but I might hear the baby cough from the feel good. This is what I normally use anyway from Target. This is the Target brand. I normally use this one. It worked just as well. I just give him the last of the Dayquil one, but me use that. The people them stick to for them brand, so him go get this, you know, with the honey and I want that. But girl I go buy the up, I go buy the up and up, cause it do the same thing anyway. So I might just pop in the little one there. I'll make sure I actually season the meat, so here is it well marinated and stuff, you know. So that's how it can see over here, so better. So that is what it looks like. What would you like? Would you have milk?
Yes.
Milk, please.
Yes, please.
Okay, 1 minute. So even with this, I don't want this too long. Oh, so see here, this how it look like it finished. This me just give. And him have cold and him want milk. I'm not gonna give him the milk. I just a tricky make him really think say milk, you know, say cold and milk no go good. And give him like a minty, my love. Yeah, so you have to do it. We're fixing proper. Go! You're gonna get the milk. Milk you want mint, you're going to get. You're going to M&M it up. So yeah, so with this now, this is what I do, because normally when I really do the oil frying, I do put oil into it. I use my air fryer, and then we'll put it into the air fryer. I'm gonna transfer it to this. I don't know if you can see it, probably look wet because I normally wash it, even though my bike I always wash them. So I'm just shift it right here because the air fryer right there. So I line my air fryer with file paper, although there is this one file paper. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wash my hand again. So I'm gonna do that. The beeping sound we are here, the oven, the preheat. I'm gonna just stab up the meat more, even though it just a kind of wake it up. Can you know it in the fridge and it has a little cold feeling there. So when I normally do it, so but I just put on the fissy. So I drop it in the air fryer. And on the air fryer, I use roast. The roast, and it's the 400. I'm gonna just do it for like 15 minutes. Alright, so this, so look at juice, some of them I'm not gonna dash that way. I'm just add the barbecue sauce to it and mix up back even the flavor here from the meat. So I'm gonna try my best to talk as loud as possible because I want to hear more than only hear the air fryer. And just in case you're wondering why I use the air fryer, again, through my little oil thing, I'm gonna try my best to dry it out. I'm gonna like the flavor way it give, hence why I'm gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna do my chicken or fish or anything made up, I'm gonna put it into the air fryer to stay away from using oil, and especially with baking, it depends. But sometimes we feel like me do wings and we just put the wings in the oven as is, but because it just get this nice crispy thing about it, I like use the air fryer if that makes it. Oh crap, I change this. Anytime my paper towel I get low like this, I like it. I like when it look full and fluff up. I'm telling you, so me I go to the real. So this is how I normally cook in the air fryer with a truly on. Would now wait for it finish for the other part. No, I'm gonna just rest it up here so I'm not use it. Anyway, so because the sugar jar is so big, so this is like 1 spoon, so the spoon here and a tubs sugar, and then I'm gonna use the Caribbean tradition. This is ginger, garlic, and pimento. It everything already blend out. I'm gonna want the peppermint seed big night, the ketchup, the one I'm gonna use on the barbecue, and then I'm gonna crush out one of the what is name chicken. Look here, whatever that is. I like some of I use the same pan because of the flavor from it. Say that come like I'm making gravy. Alright, so that's the same I'm gonna do my barbecue sauce. Wait, this not open. So again, when me cook, I'm gonna do measuring. So I'm gonna know no 1 cup of this and no 1 cup of that. I'm gonna learn two different kind of cooking. I'm gonna learn from my grandfather. And my grandfather come from cold stove outside Jamaica, so I still used to cook that way there. And my mother, she cook inside of the kitchen on the stove. So that's all. For some reason, I still want a little more ginger. Just a little more ginger, and also I don't know what it do. And funny enough, one day I mistake I'm making up because I'm gonna cook 2 different kind of meat. I'm gonna normally wash my meat with vinegar. I'm also use the lime juice if I have lime. I'm gonna make mistake in the one of me that season and put little lime in it. Same thing with the there. I'm gonna know it get a flavor where me use half of the cup. Me use that much. I mean to say it get a flavor where turn up. May try to the part here fast because like me telling you, I don't have enough space. So while me do it, I keep on a look up on my phone and see how far I'm going, how much space left. And I'm gonna say last night video when I really enjoy it because while me chop up the meat and clean out the little blood and something them from outside, I could know. So because everybody else do little Vlogmas and thing, don't make that disencourage you if you don't have certain things. I remember some people been have them Christmas stuff, them Christmas decor. Some of them are just because oh yeah, I feel right now, so yeah, change them. But people have them things in a storage and they go pick it up and they will come up. And some of them not to say, hey, they pick it up in a foreign, they can return things. Even if I don't have no receipt, so sometimes they will just do it for the video and then just carry it back. I'm not ask you, I tell you, I come from retail. I used to work in a Kmart, and in a Kmart, I'm the supervisor. I used to work at Target, and at the Target, they let me know, listen, girl, they are foreign. I come from cleaning shit, come right up. When you have kids, you know, turn your nose up, you have bills to pay, and I like say somebody I cook next door and see and say, hey, Empo, you know, some cook look at this guy, one plate come in a foreign, you have to find it for yourself. So no job is you understand? I come from work for the table. Oh, here that done. I come from work for the books. And for one them where if you have the books already, you make more money that way there, because see once you start pay Uncle Sam, so then take out the taxes, come like you take out more if you pay insurance. You know look away there. So I can't run it, so come show now. So see how it look? Have a look at crispy, something like that. And when it in the oven, sometimes it looks so white and it take long in the oven, it just look white. Everything just look crispy and nice. So that part the finish. So I'm gonna blend in this one more step. I already turn on the kettle. So this is my kettle. Can you see? Just put a little hot water. Just a little. But just add it and put a little bit. I'm choose to use hot water instead of the cold water because with the hot water it kind of like just wake up everything, and then the chicken it's already hot, so you have to put hot pan hot. You have to, it's like we don't call it, I don't know the words. And guys, I know some someone probably are watching as when you hear the language and probably click off because but when I'm comfortable my native tongue will come out. But you see, even make it more that look a flavor. Then with the cold water, it make it cold. I'm gonna want to put cold pan hot. That makes sense. So if me do something cold, me use something cold, and if me do something hot, I just mimic it. Even cooking, if you have steam your rice and you realize you want a little bit more water, don't put cold water on the rice because it's already hot. So use hot water. So I'm always transfer the meat in. So maybe so the steam I come from it, I transfer the meat to that. Now I'm gonna put a little big if I look a big flat thing, put it on it and go and shake it because I want to so me do. But just spoon mix it, and I do it this way because again remember the flavor, the seasoning flavor with the pan this, so you get a better coating than putting it actually into the silver baking pan. And you know the thing, so everything nice and coated like. That's how I normally just put it back in here. So, and even though I do it like this, I still use a spoon. I still, if you could have ever taste this, tastes so good, so good. All right, and then with the pan there. So see that I'm only have 5 minutes left worth of video space. Oh, this is how the seasoning from the spoon come. The rest of the spoon in a little bit, so but I feel it's the pan. Let me tell you before I wash the pan. I realize my family, my aunt clean get washer, and yes it's hot, but me use my hand to get everything. Back all of the flavor in this. So again, the oven I preheat the pan 375. Me eat it. But I can use the broil part. But I just saying on the camera, but I start over again. And then I just spread out the meat in there. If you don't want to use your hand, you want to feel bossy, you feel, then you use a song. I don't have time for that. From me, I cook my yard and nobody never cook from me. And it come from my body, so it work with energy. So if me I cook now with love, then you taste the love right off of my hand. And after that, let metal sitting there and have no love in it. So, yeah. And I don't cover it. So I'm just rest it now in the oven. I'm going to make that stay in there for one good 10 minutes we do. One good 10-15 for make it, you know. Crispy, so I think I talk long enough for me to have much to see there. 2 more minutes. I have more space, and in a sense I just come back to say whatever I want that to show a picture. What I'm gonna do is for tomorrow Vlogmas 5, I just start off the video. I'll show you what it did look like and then continue into whatever me to do. But again, anybody come across the video, watch it, don't see these vlogs and just feel like, boy, that nice, I wish I did me, I wish I did. Be grateful for what you have, work with what you have, and just go to remember, say, and everybody I show them reality. People are show what them think you want to see. You understand? Because nobody don't want the negative, nobody don't want them judge them, and nobody don't have time for all that. Because the thing is, when I ask for it and they want to get it sometime, when I judge it, and everybody but not broad. But this is true, my one more than broad. A girl don't care. I'm not gonna go out of my way. For put on a show and it is not me. Like, but clearly show no. Or me spend my money one way and all people them son spend it another way. Me buy half brand, him buy the straight up name brand. For something with that, him gonna do it for me. Once you have as many kids as how me have, you know for go around it, and a girl now left for bush tea. Anyway, you see there, what it a count down to 5. So that is the finishing look. Can you see my phone closer? So yeah. So I actually make it stay for 25 minutes. get a little crispiness to it, cause that's like it. So yeah, that's how it turned out. Alright, so catch you on a tomorrow vlog.